7 Disruptive Trends to Impact End-to-End Warehouses in 2023.
The warehousing industry in the UK is evolving rapidly due to the emergence of new technologies, changing consumer behavior, and rising competition. Several trends are set to disrupt end-to-end warehouses, and companies need to be prepared to adapt to these changes. Here are 7 disruptive trends to watch out for. Automation. The use of automation technologies such as robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning is increasing rapidly. Warehouses are becoming more automated, and companies need to invest in technology to remain competitive. Omnichannel fulfillment. The rise of omnichannel retailing means that warehouses need to be able to fulfill orders from various channels, including online marketplaces, brick-and-mortar stores, and social media platforms. Real-time data. Real-time data is becoming increasingly important in warehouse management. Companies need to be able to track inventory, shipping, and delivery in real time to remain competitive. Sustainability. Consumers are increasingly concerned about sustainability, and warehouses need to be more environmentally friendly. Companies need to adopt green practices, such as using renewable energy and reducing waste. Last mile delivery. Last mile delivery is becoming increasingly important as more consumers opt for home delivery. Warehouses need to be located closer to consumers to reduce delivery times and improve customer satisfaction. Collaboration. Collaboration between different players in the supply chain, including manufacturers, retailers, and logistics providers, is becoming more important. Companies need to work together to reduce costs and improve efficiency. Cybersecurity. As warehouses become more connected, they are increasingly vulnerable to cyber threats. Companies need to invest in cybersecurity to protect their data and prevent cyber attacks. In conclusion, these 7 disruptive trends are set to impact end-to-end warehouses in the UK. Companies need to be aware of these trends and adapt to them to remain competitive in a rapidly changing industry.